My name is Andraz. I am the CEO of Spectrum CNC, and we are based in Slovenia. Our primary customers are industries with manufacturing lines. So we make parts for manufacture lines. Aluminum parts, fasteners, grips, or something like similar. We have parts that are just 10 pieces apart, and for I think about 20 different parts. Fast quotations. We need to be fast in that department. Fast to send a quotation, it's money saver. I started using CAM Assist about 6 months ago. I'm very happy with it because all I need is calculate the manufacturing time, and that helps me a lot. They send me the files and I need quotes by end of the day. That it's a time saver in that way. I would say about 60%. Before I start using CAM Assist, it was a long time before I finished the quote, from the beginning to the end of the quote. I can finish when I finish the quote. Now I can go to the workshop and do different things. I send the quote and that is that. It's about 30% increase currently, but we plan to do a lot more quotes.